Hey everyone, it's Cassie and I am here with LDRS Creative, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super sweet interactive hippo. LDRS Creative has made it really easy to do this, and I'm just going to walk you through it. This hippo comes from a brand new stamp set called Hippo Hooray. There's lots of fun stamps on this. We're going to stamp the standing hippo and this really weird piece. It's actually an arm and a leg together. This is what it looks like stamped out. I'm using LDRS Creative Hybrid ink in Raven. It is alcohol marker friendly as well as watercolor and colored pencil friendly, so you can use whatever you want to color these stamps in. I'm going to rush through the coloring so we can get to how you actually put this together, but I will mention that I am not coloring that front leg or the back arm. We will be cutting those off later, so you don't need to bother coloring them now. Once everything is colored, we're going to fussy cut right along those black lines. Like I said, we're cutting off that back arm and that front leg. We won't need them. That's what this piece right here is going to be replacing. Next, we're going to mark a little dot on her belly button, and we're going to punch that with a small hole punch. This is where we're going to put our brad. Once you have that punched, you can put your leg and arm piece behind it and line that up. You want your feet to be even, and you want that to cross over where your hole is. Go ahead and mark that with a pencil, and you can punch that piece too. Once you have those holes punched, you're going to need a small brad. I like mine to match my tutu so that it kind of blends in. You're going to put that through your hippo and then through that leg piece, and then open up the back of the brad to secure it. You can then test to make sure that everything is moving smoothly. At this point, she is ready to be added to any card or project. I suggest using some foam tape to attach her. This gives the brad a little bit of wiggle room so that she can move more smoothly. These stamps make it super easy to add fun and adorable interactive elements to your cards.